This is Nancy Leader on the Zeta Report.
Does NASA lie about the presence of Planet X in the inner solar system? To do so, they would have to be manipulating the SOHO and stereo satellite images, which focus on the Sun. Here's the evidence. On December 4th, 2009, Saturn just disappeared from frame to frame. This would only occur if Saturn were being painted in or inserted. Then Venus jumped back and forth. Apparently, the programs NASA was using to insert planets on cue were malfunctioning that week. Then there are the obvious edit lines. Here's an example from February 26, 2010. Per the Zetas, the NASA programs doing the cut and paste are not sensitive to color gradations. As it is obvious from the many times SOHO has shown edit lines or planets lurching about that the images are manipulated. The occasional edit line bloopers shows the operation of such programs, as a computer program cannot gaze at the overall and see slight shade differences as the human eye can do. NASA was taken by surprise when the Planet X complex, which includes its many moon swirls, began showing up in unexpected places. In this example from March 27, 2009, Planet X as the winged globe shows up next to the planet Venus. Clearly, the winged globe was not a planet, nor was it an overexposed pixel. It even has a drifting tail. And there was no getting rid of it, though NASA kept trying. Sometimes the feed would be down for days, an unexplained downtime. What to do? Claim these odd objects had been there for ages, all along, like back in 1999, so could not be something that arrived in 2003 as Zeta Talk claims. And that's what was done on an August 15, 1999 image, placed on the SOHO archives and loudly announced on a German debunker site. These doctored images are even more obvious when enhanced, as they show the same coloration as the date and timestamp, which is inserted into the images. That, and the fact that the edges of a pasted object form a neat little rectangular box, that's not all that professional, NASA. Having failed at doctoring their images, NASA switched to lame excuses. SOHO is suddenly capturing colliding asteroids. They even provided an image of colliding asteroids and said so on TV in February 2010. And they were only recently able to capture such images. Whoa, and this is why they're suddenly showing up on SOHO in 2009? In January 2010, individual moons showing up on the SOHO and stereo behind images had the internet abuzz. If close to the Sun, they were huge, almost Earth-sized, and if nearer to Earth, a potential hazard. Well, what the heck were they? NASA's explanation, after the internet had been buzzing for a month, was that these were compression artifacts, not real. No one really bought this. So what we've got here is a taxpayer-funded corporation under national security directives lying to us about a matter that is immensely important to the public. They're not just withholding information, they're inventing it, inserting stars in the background, inserting transiting planets, cutting and pasting, airbrushing out evidence of Planet X, and foisting lame excuses.
Until next time on the Zeta Report, I'm Nancy Leader.